Hello, everyone. Andy Campbell here at Tractor Zoom. With higher supply, higher interest rates, and farmers heading into harvest season, it's getting to be a time where that inventory is likely going to sit around and start to accumulate a lot more carrying costs. So I want to talk you through how in Tractor Zoom Pro we can go in and evaluate how big those carrying costs are, how likely that equipment is to age, and what you can actually do about it. So I'm going to start here though at Tractor Zoom Pro. This is the old Iron Comps. Make sure that you go to Tractor Zoom Pro and bookmark this. It'll just make navigation a whole lot easier. From here, the layout is a little bit different, sharper image now, but you can log in straight to there. So let this information load, and this will take us to my instance of Tractor Zoom Pro. And I already have for inventory our demo inventory logged. And so that's where we want to go. Move over to the inventory tool, allow this to load. And within the inventory tool, we've got an option that not everybody knows about, but for a dealer, it'll allow you to go through here and use our predictive tool to see how likely your equipment is to age past 180 days. So if you pull up this filter function, days listed, move my picture here, likely to age past 180 days. Select that, move my mug back down. So what you see over here on the right-hand side, next to the days listed, are these yield signs, giving some kind of indication that this is going to likely age past 180 days. If you go over there and your notes or notifications covers it, typically can go back, close the filter screen, and now that just widens out your view. And now you can hover over that yield sign and get an idea of why that piece might likely age past 180 days. Here it's the number of image, listing price. Down here, it's already been listed for a long period of time sitting around, and it's higher on the hours. Let's click into just one of these. Let's pick on this 770 right here. You can click onto that yield sign and then pull up a little bit more detailed information. You can see your price listing history if you change the price. Also hover over number of images, years, and then on the side button, click into it just to get a little bit of an explanation of why we believe that will lead to a longer listing time. Within the same window for an S770, you can look at the trends. How long have these been listed for over the past year for all models, also the ones that have just sold. And then also within the S770, something that we released just last month, you can go into the carrying costs. And so for this particular machine, at the price that it's listed at, you can see what the carrying costs are by month to help you hopefully make some pricing decisions. Now that's based on the listing price. It's also based on some variables that you can edit below in this calculator. Those variables lead to your financial capital cost investments, so largely your interest, but also if you have opportunity costs baked in there, taxes and insurance, storage, warehouse handling that might be fixed, but then divided over the number of machines. Also your risk, and then we determine the risk by that particular machine's depreciation via usage, and then obsolescence through its age. So again, all of those things can be edited for your institution down at the edit calculator. And then also, if you want to pop back up and look at it from a 40,000 foot view, you can look at the carrying costs for all of your items, which might help you make more strategic decisions. Again, I hope this is helpful. You can use this in preparation as we advance towards the end of your buying season, just to make sure all your pieces are appropriately priced, and that you can move those when you want to move them. So again, if you have any questions on this tool or any other tools here at TractorSim, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to hear your feedback. And yeah, we appreciate your time. Thank you very much.